Hey man, we got a really good one for you guys today. I need all y'all interaction. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 1 Reimagined colorways. You guys already know what they are, man. First one being the Air Jordan 1 patent Breds. Then they transitioned to the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Founds. And then last but not least, which we'll be getting to release here in a couple of weeks, the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciated, man. With this video right here, man, I need everybody's interaction, everybody's thoughts, opinions. You gotta keep it real with me down below in the comment section, because I want to see how y'all actually feeling about, you know what I'm saying, these reimagined Air Jordan 1 colorways. Let me know how you rate them, 1 through 10. Let me know which ones is fire, which ones is trash. Let me know all y'all honest opinions too. What Jordan Bred has been giving us as far as the reimagined and Jordan 1 colorways. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any other content like this that we drop on the channel. Of course, more early looks. Of course, you guys some giveaways coming. We got all that lineup for you guys here on the channel. So don't miss out by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And please give a huge like on today's video, man. Likes go a long way. It helps the channel grow, and that shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, and it keeps your boy motivated, you feel me? And you guys already know all my social media links will be down below. Most important one being Twitter. I feel like, you know, I'm not over there that much, but as soon as I see something about a shock drop or restock or anything like that, it's super easy for me to, you know what I'm saying, retweet it, repost it, whatever they got going over on Twitter now. For instance, today I did retweet that NOIR is doing another raffle for the airships that they dropped. Pretty dope colorway. I entered for that raffle and I retweeted, so hopefully a couple of you guys did peep that over on Twitter. All right, man, it's time to get into it, bro. It's time to get into them. Let's dive into it, bro. I think it's only right to first start off with the one that started it all, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Breds, man. The patent Breds, the patent leather Breds. These dropped back in 2020, if I'm not mistaken, either 2020 or 2021. Not too sure. I think it was 2021 because we got Lost and Founds in 2022, and then 2023 we'll be getting the Royal joint. So here you guys have it, bro. Let me know what y'all think about it, man. Like I said, a super dope colorway, and I'm starting to see the trend that Nike is going with. I think, like, you know what I'm saying, they went first with the bands, the Breds, you know what I'm saying, that the NBA was actually fining, you know what I'm saying, Michael Jordan for, and Nike was actually paying those fines. So, you know what I'm saying, they switched it up, reimagined looked, gave it that all patent leather glisten out effect over this entire sneaker. The Breds are one of my favorite colorways, so I think they definitely did, you know what I'm saying, something right with that, at least, you know what I'm saying. We love that Bred colorway. We love black and red, and they hit us with the patent on these guys. So go ahead and rate these things 1 through 10. Do you have a pair in the collection? Are you still trying to secure a pair? These are pretty low right now in the resale market. I actually sold my pair, and I had to go back and instantly get them before that resale started to hike up, because once I figured out these was part of Reimagined line, which I did not know until I started seeing a little bit, you know what I'm saying, posts on IG and Twitter. Started doing a little bit of research about these sneakers, and I was like, bro, I did not know that these are the first, you know, technically the first reimagined Air Jordan 1 colorway. You also got a cool little hang tag that went with it. You guys see this red metallic Jumpman right here. Next, we got the sneaker that literally broke the sneakers app, man. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, man. These things right here literally, like I said, broke the sneakers app, bro. Like, I couldn't even enter for the sneaker. They were logging me out. They said I got card issues. I couldn't enter my size. There was just so much going on. We went live that day. It was probably the best live as far as interaction, because people was actually like, yo, what in the hell is wrong with Nike? Like, Nike was really messing up. They dropped the ball. The Chicago colorway, I feel like that day kind of solidified itself as being the best Jordan 1 colorway. That's just my opinion, especially the hype that surrounded the sneaker. How many times these things have restocked? How many people are still trying to get a pair, still waiting for restocks from Jordan brand, from Nike, from the sneakers app. And these shoes right here, man, they speak for themselves, bro. Probably, you know what I'm saying, my favorite now. Like, it used to be the Breds, bro. But then when I got these Lost and Found, bro, I said these are just so versatile. They're so easy to rock. And with this one right here, something they didn't do with the patent leather Breds, they gave us a regular, you know, leather, but you did get the crackled effect on the side panels. You even got that crackled effect on the toe box and leading all the way around the heel right there, as you guys can see, giving it a Lost and Found effect. And even at the bottom, if you guys can check that out, it does have like some wear and tear to it already, as as far as the effects goes. And not to mention the age midsoles they threw on these guys. And of course, they gave us that age tongue and laces to go with them, bro. I love them, man. One of my favorite Jordans in the collection, one of my favorite sneakers in the collection. And I feel like on IG, man, I've been wearing them so much because they're so versatile. They're so easy to rock. So right now, down below in the comment section, let me know where you rank these things as far as, you know what I'm saying, the other two reimagined colorways. Let me know what you rate these things 1 through 10. W or L. Are you still trying to secure a pair? These things going for a pretty penny on the resale market. So if you ain't got them yet, probably the best time to buy them is now. It's not gonna be any more crazy restocks. And then last but not least, these have not released yet, but it still gives you a little bit of food for thought, you know what I'm saying? This is a Cedar sneaker. We're gonna give you guys a full kind of breakdown. These are not my size, the size 10. But when I do get my size, bro, when I do get my size, I'm definitely throwing them on feet. They are a lot better than I initially thought. We're seeing them on, you know what I'm saying, pictures and stuff. And it's not all over suede. Like, you do have a suede, a hairy suede on the back, but more of the mid panels, you know what I'm saying, and around the toe box is more of like a nubuck, right? Like a nubuck suede, if that makes sense, and like a furry blue that goes all around the royal hits of this Air Jordan 1. But these will be the last, you know what I'm saying, reimagined look. We might get the shadows next year to drop in a reimagined look. I don't know what they're gonna do with those. They give us a patent leather, they give us an age look, they give us an all over suede Jordan 1 reimagined. So who's to tell what they're gonna do with the shadows? Hopefully they don't mess them up. But it'll be dope if they did give it like an age look. I think that'd be super crazy. Yo, I couldn't keep talking about the shadows without grabbing them, but I feel like next year this will be the next reimagined Air Jordan 1 colorway. You know what I'm saying? It only makes sense, bro. It only makes sense. But just imagine giving these an age look, bro. This would go crazy in my opinion. But back to these royal guys right here, man. Please let me know how you feel about them. Is this an honest cop for you? You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people's opinion will change when they get them in hand, because me, myself, like I said, I trashed this sneaker. I said, why are they doing this? Why not just give us something to the same effect as the Lost and Founds? But they gave us the all over, you know, suede nubuck hit, and they're not as bad as I thought when I got them in hands. Pretty nice sneaker. I don't know how much I will get wears out of these because I do have the OG Royals, but it's not a bad sneaker at all. But I want you guys to rate these things 1 through 10. Are you planning on copping these things? Are they a pass? Do you hate them? I need all you guys' thoughts and opinions, and rank them amongst the other two Air Jordan 1 reimagined. Yeah, man, one more look at all three of the reimagined Air Jordan 1s, man. Super dope to have all three. Kind of break down for you guys, but I am super interested to see how you guys are feeling about what Jordan and Nike is doing with the Reimagined series. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop. More discussion videos like this, more little debates between, you know what I'm saying, specific colorways. So please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you are new to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Again, thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, man, your boy eventually gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.